Alright, so it's been a while since we vlogged. George over decided to buy some parts.
I did, about fucking time.
Go ahead and explain to them what you got.
So, I actually ordered a few shit. I ordered the fucking... I cuss too much. I don't think I might delete this out. But, like, I got the... These are for the tail... What is it called? The twin signals?
Yeah.
Well, because, like, on a stock Mustang, they turn yellow. Hold on, I'll hold it. For the stock Mustang, these actually turn yellow. If you see right here. Those turn yellow. It turns them white. And, like, you know, when the turn signal's on, they turn back yellow, you know, to make it street legal. Then the next thing I actually got light covers. And for that, it's just going to cover part of the lights. And
You got something from Modern Muscle Design, which is probably the same box that I've seen for the cover. He got a mod that gives you, like, 15 horsepower. A start button cover because he wants to be like a Lamborghini.
He wants a Huracan, couldn't afford it.
yeah, because that's the thing I'm mostly stoked about.
I would be too. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna install these. George probably looked at videos already, right?
Maybe.
So we're gonna follow his lead. He's in control for once in his life.
Oh, okay,
I'm just kidding, George. I love you.
Fuck you. We're going to have to clean my taillights first.
We're gonna have to clean his tail. Oh yeah, he got tint. So we're gonna put some tint
Well, they're technically covers.
covers, whatever, George.
It's because, like, my car is, like, hella has sawdust and shit. Because, like, you know.
Wait, where exactly? Oh, they go right here,
They
huh?
go right here, they cover the sides. The sides like this. Shut up, bitch. You're making fun of me, I'm dying.
But yeah. Oh, if you guys don't know, the things he has done to his car, he has a muffler and resonator delete, and he's on lowering springs.
I may actually make a follow-up for the resonator / muffler delete. I hope so eventually. If I do, that's disgusting, Charlie. If I make a follow-up, I'll get a H-pipe eventually.
H-pipe, there you go.
I don't think I told you right.
Alright, anyways, once we get started, we're gonna go ahead and clean his taillights, and once we start doing that, I'll show you guys that process, like, really quick, I guess. And then, it's still pretty cold.
Nah, it has to be like.
Alright.
Nah, that's
Oh, we had the car started already, and I just realized we should have done a cold start for you guys.
Nah,
But yeah, here's a muffler resonator delete.
You're a bitch.
I just explained to them.
Sounds like a V8, but it's not.
But yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Alright, so I got the mufflers too.
Wait, isn't this one hella crooked? No, it's not. Oh. He's a lumberjack.
Nah, but I guess I'll have to clean the headlights. I mean, even if your car isn't as dusty as mine, I suggest you do it anyway.
Yeah, so he's gonna clean it off so the tint or the covers or whatever have something to stick to, rather than.
These covers apparently have, like, these micro tubes or whatever that allows air to come outside, like, straight out of the material.
So you're able to just like push the air bubbles out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apparently.
That makes it easier.
I'll even give you a review about it, whatever, while I'm doing it, and obviously after I do it.
Yeah, so that's the process
Throw
right
that
there.
shit right
Nothing
there.
special. So he's just trying to get all the dust off.
I mean, something simple for now.
And we'll get to you guys when we get the covers on. We'll show you guys that. Right on the temp right here. I don't think he knows what he's doing.
Sort of. I'm kind of scared.
Dang.
Steady hands.
You gotta get that whole light right there. You gotta cover the whole thing.
Like even when it like curves up right there.
Yep.
This is one thing Charlie is not good at for sure.
Yeah, I absolutely suck at any type of tinting
Or like rapping.
or wrapping. I'm horrible at it, so I can't help him in any
Should ask Carlos
like
to do
way.
it for you.
Yeah, Carlos is really good at this kind of stuff because he's really good with like. the
He's done, like, plastic
he's-
dipping.
He's really good at like
Plastic
that
dipping is
meticulous.
It's because he cuts
like-
hair also. Like, he has, like, really
Yeah.
stiff
Yeah, he has steady ass hands.
Man, why is George flexing on everybody? Look at this iPhone 10.
I know for reals.
And look at this, he got fucking new sneakers on. This is the first pick.
And I got a fucking
Damn.
the newest generation GT350 Mustang
Yeah,
right
he
here.
just ordered like he actually like put in a deposit for the new GT500.
Who?
You.
Yeah.
Fucking.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I figured it out. It might take a while.
Hurry up, fool!
Bitch! Don't rush me! That's why you suck at tempting, Charlie!
And he's having a kid.
Oh yeah, I never told you guys. A lot of shit has changed.
A lot of fucking shit.
Since we last recorded. But I moved out. I moved out, got married, and got a kid on the way. Actually, within a week from this video, or from when I'm recording. January 21st is the due date.
So you're about a day over a weekend.
Yeah. So.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, and then
Watch the drama
end of this
happen.
year, early next year, I'm planning on getting my own house.
So Charlie Jr. is gonna come, and we're gonna make him a car kid. If he's not, we'll beat the fuck.
And I might be a cop this year too.
Shit.
Dang fucker! Huh?
I don't think I could do it. Bro, like, what the fuck, man?
It's broken.
It's broken. It's broken. I've been trying this for like 10 minutes now, I guess.
Well, no shit, nigga. Oh.
This 2018 it can't be fucking like offensive.
Pussy
Yeah,
ass bitches.
Honestly.
You know what I'm gonna do?
George, why don't you just put it on?
Oh, another thing they haven't put in the video yet. Charlie has new wheels.
Oh yeah. Was I lowered last time in the videos? Yeah, we lowered the video. We lowered my car in the video.
Huh?
We have a coilover install video.
Yeah, but you weren't low.
Oh.
Now you're not low. And you got
Yeah,
space
I don't know if you guys remember from my last videos. I was low as shit. Like I was tucking and everything. Like had my wheels under my fenders and everything. But I'm not low no more. I got new wheels. Cool thing. I actually got it for like 150 bucks from some old man on Craigslist. I mean, they're not the prettiest, but they're like in almost perfect condition. So I was like, fuck it, why not? But yeah, I got a new tool set too. My dad got that for me for Christmas. It's in the back of the car. I'll show you guys that if you ever need it. I don't think we're gonna need it for any of the installs we're doing. But yeah, a lot of changes this year, and George still hasn't gotten the first one on yet.
Shut the fuck up. Not doing what you, bitch. Alright, guys.
He got one in finally.
Part 2 of 6 of getting all this shit in.
Well, we're not gonna show every one of
Kind
them.
of butthole right here.
No, like
That's cool.
they're gonna show, I guess.
Did you ever go to John's last night?
If I went to John's last night?
Yeah.
No.
Nobody did, huh?
Why was he having something?
You know
Oh, he just said that he was gonna chill at home. Huh?
He's always lonely, I guess. What the fuck are these people doing?
It's good G. It's good G. Someone pulling up in the Impala. It's good G. Pull the Glock out, too. Yeah, bitch.
They parked over there and
Yeah, bitch.
Maybe they think we're suspicious or some shit. Hey, guys, están robando un carro. Están robando un carro. I mean, they're Asians. No offense, Charlie, but they're always like staring at us and shit. These people are like, these people all around our neighborhood. They drive around. They always stare at us. I'm not trying to be racist, but they're all Asian. They happen to be. It was on video. I think I'm gonna get the little
You're gonna
snowflakes.
get so much hate.
I'm gonna
We're
get the
gonna lose all
snowflakes
of
to
our
hate
friends.
me. Nope.
George admiring his finished product for one side. So there it is.
That's one side right there.
Pretty cool. That's the normal one. You guys decide which one's better. I don't really know. It looks pretty cool, but
But even with the lights off too, like it looks pretty sick.
thumbnail, George, thumbnail.
I look hella
No, you have to like get on your knees and have your mouth open.
like this.
do this.
Be so surprised, like.
No, I can't.
Alright, that's good.
I guess.
Charlie
Someone take care
fucking,
of Charlie.
he was spraining his
He found a
ankles.
skateboard.
He
This
ran
dude
over
would
by a
always
bike.
complain about like fucking having broken ass feet because he'd always ride.
He got ran over by a fucking car.
No, that was on his bike.
Yeah, that was on his bike. Look at the
Charlie's
little
a
faggot.
fucking monster.
Look at the little faggot.
Just imagine him with like long ass hair. As a typical high school faggot.
He used to wear skinny jeans. Fucking Metallica t-shirts. Long ass hair. He was just an emo kid. Well, George is almost finished with this side.
I already finished this one.
Oh, he's almost finished.
Take-
Oh, you're not. Yes, I said almost. He's got to do that.
I
shit.
just need to clear all the bubbles and I'm good. All the bubbles. Turn signals, they turn back yellow.
Well, let's show them stock first.
But I hate how it looks. It's fucking disgusting.
planning on changing it. I considered it before, but I was like, nah. But then I just changed my mind. I was like, you know what, fuck it.
How much were those?
These were like $70.
70 bucks. Dude, that's how it looks. That's gonna look way better with fucking white for sure. It's gonna match like the 3 lights in the headlight.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna match that. It's gonna look pretty dope. All right.
First step, have to trim my wheel. Swear to God. Apparently, I had to spin on the whole car to do that.
Why? Your power steering don't turn on like. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm tripping.
What are you talking about?
You actually need the motor to be on.
You don't do that in your car.
I don't want to fucking break these little boners, whatever they are.
Clips.
The clips.
You're gonna need like a screwdriver or some shit, dude.
Yeah. How many are there?
Cause look,
One's missing.
But there's a perfect time for probably using it.
George just had to get some of these clips out. You know, these annoying ones over here. He had to get a couple of these
Well,
out,
annoying one. This car's used.
and then now
I
he's
just need
going
to.
in
I just need to
there.
figure out how the fuck to take out these light bulbs. I'm gonna leave my phone in here. You can't see shit, but if you want,
Oh yeah, we got Celio's dog out. Ben.
a little guest.
Benjamin, because he makes hundreds.
I just need to figure out how the fuck to take this light bulb out.
Hey, show them this. I got some gloves.
He got my motorcycle gloves from the house.
It's hella cold.
It's not that cold.
My hands are fucking itchy.
Dolphin over here.
So what? Just fuck with.
Oh, this is Celio. This is George's brother. Yeah.
Wow.
You just woke up. You just woke up.
Yeah. God damn it, dude.
Oh shit.
Can't get it.
Dog,
That's
dog,
your
dog.
whole fucking housing or some shit?
Oh.
Hey, Ben! Hey, what are you doing?
Celio, behind you.
Where's he at?
Right here.
Hey, what are you doing? Go over here, motherfucker. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Why are you running off like
Got
that?
another dog over there.
Jesus Christ.
How much should I take off again? Hold on.
Oh, the homemade or something.
Hey, go into the parking lot so I can drive.
This bitch is hot.
Oh, don't let him drive.
No, I'm gonna go in the parking lot.
Oh, so you're not gonna let me drive?
No.
I
I don't want to burn clutch today. For like a little race car, huh?
Yeah, it is a little race car, nigga. This shit's cool. This shit's clean.
I'll do a burnout right here.
No, you won't. Get on video?
Bet.
Get on video?
Nigga, no.
Alright, bro, a little burnout, you said.
Huh?
You said a little burnout. Now you see I can drive your fucking car, right?
Yeah.
I just need to get used to it.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Let me get out the car?
No, I'm not gonna do like a full burnout.
I'm gonna take off.
You swear.
What if I can swing right here?
No, you already tried last time.
Yeah,
You
I
almost
know.
fucking crashed.
Alright,
Oh, shit.
Hold on, man. Let me get out. Let me get out and record you. Hold on. You gotta do it one more time, bro. I'm gonna get out and record
Yeah, I'm
you.
gonna do that too. For the vlog. That was crazy. You fucking crazy ass motherfucker.
Damn, fool.
Look at that shit. Get up, open the door, bitch. Charlie.
Oh.
Take your
One
seatbelt
more
off.
time we gotta dip, but it's gonna be 5 pretty soon, man.
Take your fucking seatbelt. Oh, fuck. God damn. Sick ass food. Oh shit, alright.
We out this bitch. We out this bitch. We out this bitch. 5-0 coming, 5-0 coming.